More about the solutions here. I'm not going to give the entire solution to each question, but for this one, okay, I drew some points for you. I drew some doublings. From here to here, the y factor appears to be at least 3. From here to here, the y factor appears to be about 2. From here to here, the y factor appears to be, well, maybe 1.3, maybe 1.5. From here to here, on this interval, the y factor appears to be just a little more than 1. We don't have much increase. And from here to here, the y factor is even smaller. It's a little more than 1, but not very big. So we're going from a y factor of just a little bigger than 1 up to a y factor of 2, up to a y factor of 3 or more. This is very clearly not a power function. Okay. Now, this function here, we noticed in the preceding video, the immediately preceding video, that the factors appear to be decreasing. Okay, there's a trend where the factors appear to decrease. They start out around 1.8 maybe, and they decrease down to 1.3 or less. So there's definitely a trend in the factors. So this is maybe somewhat close to a power function. A power function model might work reasonably well for these data points, but it's probably not what's really going on, at least not if we can trust the curve. Okay? Now, what happens here even more. The y factor is going to decrease dramatically as you continue to double your x's. And whatever's wrong with this one is wrong with this one to a much greater degree. This is going to clearly not be a power function. Here, the curve, and let me attempt to sketch a reasonable curve and sketch some doubling x values by having some value. And let's just look at this point on the graph, on the curve, this point, and this point. So from here to here, it looks like the x value at least triples. And from here to here, this x value, 1, 2, 3, 4, it at least quadruples. Now, I might have marked this point a little bit high. That's a little difficult to estimate, but it's at least plausible that this is a power function with a y factor of approximately 3 or 4. Now you can still make decisions on this one, and I haven't addressed this one.